The gated entrance leads you to 17203 Highway 48. This turnkey, fully renovated bungalow is cradled on a mature, approximately 1-acre lot in a central and convenient location close to key amenities, highways, and new upcoming GO stations. And featuring a multi-use 900 square foot heated detached shop, ideal for a car collector, boat, carpenter, storage, or a shop, creating many opportunities and personal uses for both the home and property. This private backyard setting is surrounded by soaring mature trees, gardens, walkways, and an upgraded back deck. Conveniently situated across the street from over 800 acres of the Eldred Tract of York Regional Forest, offering a network of mesmerizing trails for refreshment of mind and body. When approaching the home, you will be greeted by gardens and newly completed railings leading to the upgraded entrance area. The home offers a bright and sun-kissed open concept layout, pot lights, and custom millwork. The family room features a walkout to the deck and grounds, gleaming hardwood floors, and a cozy wood-burning stove. The family room is flanked by the fully renovated gourmet kitchen, outfitted with quartz countertops, backsplash, custom cabinetry, and high-end stainless steel built-in appliances. The grand hallway leads to the master suite, featuring bright, large windows, a walk-in closet, and a spectacular spa-like 4-piece ensuite with a glass shower and rain head. The upper level features 2 additional refined and spacious bedrooms with closets, as well as an additional renovated 4-piece bathroom. When transitioning to the lower level, you'll be greeted by a large and bright multi-purpose room, ideal for an office, living room, or part of an in-law or nanny suite. The lower level offers an additional fully renovated, breathtaking 3-piece washroom with a glass shower and the potential of an additional bedroom. The grounds have been carefully cultivated and manicured. The 900 square foot detached heated shop offers a newer roof, drywall, R20 insulation, newer door, and an open concept plan. The log cabin was the original house on the property, made from 100-year-old plus logs that have recently been sandblasted and treated. An ideal setting for a private at-home office or a studio. Set against the verdant countryside of Whitchurch-Stouffville and offering a private backyard setting for your personal enjoyment. 17203 Highway 48 is situated in a central and convenient location with easy and convenient access to Newmarket, Stouffville, Markham, and Aurora. The property is approximately 130 by 300 feet. Situated steps to over 800 acres of York Regional Forest, with an extensive trail system for riding, running, walking, or to unwind and reconnect with nature. A short distance to the amenities of Ballantrae, including restaurants, sporting venues, and golf. A short drive to Highway 404 and Aurora, as well as the new GO station under construction at Bloomington and 404. A short distance to Markham, Aurora, and Richmond Hill, and approximately 45 minutes to Toronto. You have arrived at 17203 Highway 48. Welcome home. 17203 Highway 48 is proudly being offered with marketing services by Farquharson Realty. Thank you for taking the time to watch this important video. At Farquharson Realty, we are proud to have sold some of the finest homes in Stouffville, Uxbridge, and the GTA for more than 60 years, offering industry-leading world-class marketing that gets results, providing maximized global internet reach and exposure, staging consultations and custom floor plans, networking, social media, and key promotional partnerships, offering our valid clients exclusive innovative marketing initiatives, including interactive property videos with custom property domain websites, showcasing high-definition aerial videography and voice-over narratives, carefully guiding our potential buyers through key property details and special home features, as well as Farquharson Realty's satellite imagery neighborhood flybys, outlining property boundaries and demonstrating your home's proximity to key amenities. Introducing Farquharson 360, three-dimensional models and virtual tours, which invites a buyer to explore a space as if they were actually there, including distinct dollhouse views and interactive virtual tour experiences. Do you own an in-town home? If so, imagine the possibilities. It's time to expect more in the marketing of your home. Call today to learn more about our in-town home division, offering exclusive and specialized luxury marketing packages for your in-town home. Farquharson Realty is proud to be family-owned and operated since 1956, with a professional full-time real estate team with over 100 years of combined real estate knowledge and experience. Combined with consistent award-winning performance, ranking in the top 1% of realtors for the last 25 years consecutively. We are proud to have the #1 realtor and the #1 team for all of Stouffville in 2016 and 2017, and for all of Uxbridge for 2016 and 2017, along with the #1 realtor and team for all of Stouffville and Uxbridge combined for 14 of the last 15 years. Quite simply, no realtor or team sells more. Experience matters when market conditions change. This is the time in the real estate market when only the best will do. Whether buying or selling, in town, big or small, 1 acre or 100, we invite you to take the first step and discover why Farquharson Realty is the popular choice. We look forward to hearing from you. Whether you require a free, no-obligation home evaluation, updates on the real estate market, or wish to join our VIP list to be updated on new listings and exclusive offerings, we invite you to contact us today through our office line at 905-640-4151 or by email at dfarquharson@trevnet.com. We look forward to hearing from you.